Thank you, I Shoe Crafty Kids Club, for inviting me today, and I hope you do go back and see her video if you missed it. This is our lineup for today. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's ArtByDonna. And today, I'm going on a resin crete journey again, and I'm going to make this beautiful lantern. And I'm going to tear this out right now. And I'm going to put this on. And so let's get to grams. 100 grams of the resin crete and 30 grams of water. So I'm going to mix up a little more. Let me start out with that. Let me do 150. So I have 150 grams of resin crete, and that's going to mix with 45 grams of water. Okay, 45 grams of water. That's 42. And I'm going to add in some of this resin crete pigment, and I'm going to add it in pink. So let me too dark. So okay, that should work. Right here. Now we have to work fast because resin crete, you got to move it. And I hope this doesn't come too dark. I doubt it will. Resin crete usually is not dark. And I'm going to use my little stirrer here. Alright. And that's mixing up pretty fast. I'm surprised it's so pink. I wasn't expecting that. Well, that is a pretty shade of pink. And if I just put a little bit of white casting craft in here. Just to make it a little whiter. Yeah. All right, I'm going to get right to pouring this because you know how fast resin crete settles. Oh, wow. I thought I was going to have enough, and I am not. Wow. So there's still not enough. I can't believe that this is happening. So here I go, and I have to mix up some more. This time, I don't even bother to clean the bowl. I figured, what the heck? It's all the same stuff. So I'm gonna mix up a little more resin crete. So far, we have 250 grams of resin crete to 75 grams of water. I decide I'm going to mix up another 50 grams give it a few tippity taps. If there's any bubbles, just taking my stick and pushing it around the edges a little bit. I really don't see any bubbles anywhere. And now I'm just going to let it sit for about an hour or so and let this dry up. So here's a little shout out to my members who I really appreciate, and I hope you'll give them a subscribe, check out their channels. I'll have them all listed below. I didn't want to, I wanted to be sure that this was well dried, and it is. And I'm going to demold. So I hope that this comes out easily. I really love the way it came out. When I did it with the resin, it was beautiful. So hopefully just so you understand why I'm being so careful, with the resin crete, usually with these little tops, if you pull it too hard, sometimes you could just pull that top off. So I'm being extra careful here because I really don't want to do this again. And once you do get that initial out, that initial top part out, it really is a relief. There you go. That's wonderful. And that looks beautiful. Okay. Lovely. Turn that out. Okay. Oh, this was just my little just a little piece extra. Now here is my big mold, and I think this is going to come off very easy. I think this is the best way to do this. Laying it down and pulling it this way. Oh, this is easy. Look how easy that one came. Yeah. And wow. Now that was easy. How about that? Okay, let me get that back. All right. And I will clean that out with a wipe in a little while. Put that over there. And let's check this out. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside and let this really dry up, but let's put that top on. Wow. And that screws right in. And look how beautiful that is. Lovely. And we did get a little marbling of the colors, which actually looks quite beautiful. I like the way that looks. And I wonder if I can put my relief on now. So I left this over here for a reason. I wanted to show you, let me put this aside, but see this? I'm gonna make little, whoops. See this? These are all little leftovers. And we can mix that in with some resin crete, some white resin crete, in a nice little coaster, and that will look gorgeous. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Pebeo Mixtion Relief, because I'm going to be putting some of this, whoops, reflective foil. I have beautiful colors here, and I'm going to be adding that onto my beautiful jar. So, open this up, and let me get right to this. And I think I'm going to go along. Okay, we're going to wait a few hours for this to dry. As soon as it gets translucent, we will be adding on the foil. This is on a time lapse, and I'm adding the foil. As you can see here, intermittently, each one has a different color, and I'll put in my description the foils that I used. The more I looked at this pink color, I was not satisfied with it, so I decided to take out some of my Ranger Tim Holtz Distress sprays, and that's what you're seeing me do here. I am spraying this, and I am distressing it. Yep, this pink just was not my color. I mean, I do love pink, don't get me wrong, but this was a little too pink for me. And these distress inks, they are inks. You're going to see how beautiful this comes out. And they do dry fast. I want to say within a half an hour this was totally dry. I'm going to Okay, this dried pretty fast, probably 10 minutes, and you can still see the underneath a little bit, because this is a distressed look. This is what distress does. It doesn't cover totally, and this is what I was looking for. I probably could go over this a little more, but I am going to be putting a little bit of, I wanted to put a little of the Mica spray also. So I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is here. And let me test this out too. Yeah, I haven't used these sprays in a while, and this is a little clogged. Here we go. So that, all right, let this go. All right, that's how I want it. So this has got to go all the way up. And I'm just going to give it one spray. Turn it around and to the other side. Okay. And that'll do that. I'll do this here. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, and that's it. I'm not gonna put any more because I really don't want to overpower this piece. I don't want it dripping. Boy, but can you see the beauty here? Okay. And this was Tim Holtz Distressed Mica Spray, Tarnished Brass. That's what this is. And this one, Distress Spray Black Soot by Ranger, also Tim Holtz. Okay.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern.
Here I'm adding one more little spray of the mica spray and some of the specialty glitter from Artsy. Just sprinkling some of that on. And we're just going to add a few more embellishments. So here I'm adding with a little piece of chain just a few little embellishments. I have a little angel wing and a little pin with a little round circle here. And I'm adding that all to the top of the jar on the chain. And this, my friends, bring you to the end and the beginning of this beautiful piece. In a few days, I will be covering this with some home decor wax, a clear wax, to seal everything up. But for now, we're done. I want to thank you all for coming today, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought about this transformation from pink to, I don't know, to distress. Let me know. And also, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe today. I would love to have you along on my art journey. It certainly has been an amazing journey here. And please do go back and see I Shoot Crafty Kids Club and Michael Makes Art. And coming up next is Taslima Maya Art. My friend Tazzy is going to have something really beautiful for you today. So please don't miss her. She's an amazing artist, as are the ones previous to me. So here's all the products that I used today, and I will have everything down in my description below. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with peace, harmony, and oneness. Please be sure to check out Taslima Maya Art. She is next. And please subscribe, comment, and share. Till next time.